Hello, my name is Charlie and I did a speech about chickens. A chicken looks almost like a rooster. A rooster has a red comb. A red comb is something a rooster has that chickens don't have on their head. Chickens look like a rooster to me. I love chickens. Chickens usually live in China. There are 30 million, I guess, chickens in China. You see chickens on farms all around the world. Chickens are my favorite farm animal. Chickens eat a lot. They eat worms, insects, fruits, seeds, acorns, grains, slugs, snails, and many other things. Chickens might eat anything, but I doubt it. Chickens have big diets. Chickens usually hang out with other chickens in a chicken house on a farm. There are almost always chickens when there's a farm. There are a lot of chickens. Hawks, skunks, owls, raccoons, possums, bobcats, humans, and snakes might kill a chicken. Chickens are small and usually defenseless. A chicken's special part is its beak because it helps eat and do many other things. Once I got bit by a chicken. A chicken thinks a day is 28 hours. A chicken runs 9 miles per hour. There are more chickens in the world than humans. Chickens are cool.